In a lush, green jungle lived a little hippo named Humphrey. Humphrey was not like the other hippos. He always felt heavy-hearted and sad. One day, he decided to find out why. He asked the wisest old elephant, Eli, for advice. Eli listened carefully and suggested, "Perhaps your heavy heart is because you have never truly played." Humphrey thought about it and realized he had never really enjoyed playing like the other hippos. He decided to give it a try. The next day, he splashed in the river, rolled in the mud, and danced under the sun. But something was still missing. He sought the wise advice of the chattering monkeys. They told him, "Perhaps your heavy heart is because you have never shared a laugh." Humphrey then visited the joyful monkeys and joined their playful banter. He laughed and laughed until his belly ached. Suddenly, he felt lighter than ever before. However, he found that his heavy heart still lingered. He met the wise owl, Ophelia, who suggested, "Perhaps your heavy heart is because you have never shared your talents with others." Humphrey was a talented singer, but he had kept his voice hidden. He sang for the animals in the jungle. They cheered and danced, and Humphrey felt his heart swell with happiness. Finally, he realized that his heavy heart had been lifted by playing, laughing, and sharing his talents. From that day on, Humphrey was no longer the heavy-hearted hippo, but the happiest hippo in the jungle. And every night, as the stars twinkled, Humphrey would sing his heart out, reminding the animals of the lesson he had learned: a heart full of play, laughter, and sharing can never be heavy.